So you want to get monetized on YouTube in 2026, but you don't want to waste time. Perfect. Let's break it down quickly and clearly. First, monetization happens inside YouTube Studio, not in your imagination. Open YouTube Studio, look at the left menu, and click Earn. If you see a message asking for your country of residence, go to Settings, Channel, Basic Info, and update it. Make sure you enter the country where you actually live because YouTube uses this to check if your channel is eligible. Once that's done, the Earn page will show your progress toward monetization. Now, let's talk about the two main requirements. First, you need 1,000 subscribers. The good news is there's no time limit for this. Just keep creating valuable content and your audience will grow over time. The second requirement is 4,000 public watch hours within the last 12 months. Public watch hours means the videos must stay public. Private videos, unlisted videos, or deleted videos do not count. Also, watch time from YouTube Shorts does not count toward the 4,000 hours requirement. But there is another path. Instead of the 4,000 watch hours, you can reach monetization with 10 million public Shorts views within 90 days, plus the same 1,000 subscribers. That means creators usually focus on one strategy, either long-form videos aiming for 4,000 watch hours or Shorts aiming for 10 million views in 90 days. When you break the numbers down, they become much easier. For long-form creators, that's about 3 subscribers and 11 watch hours per day for a year. For Shorts creators, it's around 11 subscribers and 34,000 views per day for 90 days. At the beginning, these numbers might look impossible, but YouTube works with compounding growth. One video becomes 10 videos, 10 videos become 50, and eventually one of them can go viral and push your entire channel forward. Now, besides performance requirements, YouTube also has policy requirements. You must follow YouTube monetization policies, have two-step verification enabled, have no active community guideline strikes, and activate advanced channel features. Once you meet all the requirements, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. You'll need to accept the monetization terms, connect an AdSense account to receive payments, and wait for YouTube to review your channel. This review usually takes a few days, but sometimes up to 1 month. If approved, congratulations, your channel is officially monetized, and from that moment, your content can start generating real income. Now, if you want to understand how the YouTube algorithm actually works and how creators grow faster, I created a free PDF guide explaining it step by step. You can download it using the first link in the description. And if this video helped you understand YouTube monetization, make sure to subscribe because on this channel, I share strategies to help you grow faster on YouTube and online. I'll see you in the next video.